Let it be on record. That is why I'm saying it openly on the social media, that Obi Cubana does not owe the Amakeze family. We are born 6 in the Amakeze family that survived my dad. Out of that 6, 5 of us are close and we do things together. One person, who is our elder brother, has decided to go a separate way. But despite that, Obinna will pay him and pay us. He even pays him more. So that is a pity that he comes up with a story that Obinna is owing. It's unfounded. The receipts are there. The bank transactions are there. If we begin to check what Obi has done for the family, his lease will extend to 2049. He's not owing. Let it be on record.
Adolisa Amakeze Adamusa, the first daughter of late Reverend M.N. Amakeze and late Mrs. Mary Chinyere Amakeze, and the senior to Chidi Amakeze, our first son. We have property at Wuse in Abuja, but our first son wants to, he has been collecting the money from that house. So Obi Cubana is the caretaker of that house. He has been paying us. He's a very, since he took over that property, he's a very nice man. He has been helping this family. Even to the extent when my son died in October, he really supported me. He really supported us, paying us our dues and our money. He's not owing us. And now they are blaming him. Our first son, he said he's not paying. He should leave, throw away his things from that place. It's not possible. He cannot live there. We are solidly behind you, Obinna Cubana. You are not living that place. You've been nice. Nobody will do what you have been doing for us. You are God sent. We are solidly behind you.